Nashville hot chicken is all the rage. The only thing that could make it better is cooking it and baking up. Here's what we did. We're starting with our dry ingredients to dredge our chicken for Nashville hot chicken. So we've got some paprika, chili powder, pepper. You're gonna mix all that together. So we got all the dry ingredients ready to go. We mixed the wet ingredients with the hot sauce, buttermilk, and a couple eggs. So we're gonna start first by going into the flour, get it coated on both sides. We'll go into our buttermilk mixture and back into the flour for one more coating. That's gonna give you extra crispy layers, and especially when you cook it in the bacon up. Cook your chicken tenders about 3 minutes per side for a total of 6 minutes. For the sauce, take a ladle of the hot bacon up oil, put it into a saucepan, add the Nashville hot seasoning and some honey to make the perfect sauce to layer over your chicken before making your sandwiches. And that's what we're putting on the chicken before we finish off these Nashville hot sliders. So now you're just gonna load up your bun with a couple tenders, top it with a pickle. We like to serve ours with tater tots, of course, cooked in the bacon up, one of the best things you'll ever have. Bacon Up made amazing Nashville hot chicken, but you don't have to take it to this level. You can just fry chicken tenders in Bacon Up for your kids and they will love them. Sure to be a hit, so good. Here's everything you'll need to make this simple dish with Bacon Up.